Hello everyone. Today we will see a new exercise on Alteryx. In this particular video, we will see the exercise which is having an objective that how to extract the first three characters with the help of formula tool. Or by using the formula tool, how we can extract the first three characters. So if the data is a string data, so how we can extract the first three letters from that. So we will see it. So for this purpose, I will make use of the exercise number 29. So I will take the help of exercise number 29. We will take the same data. So I will go to this particular exercise 29 where I have taken the input data tool and I have connected it with the formula tool. I will press Ctrl C, go to this new workflow. After going to this new workflow number 3, just I will press Ctrl V. So as our previous exercise is concerned, in that we have only extracted the year. So if the data is for order date, so it is in the form of DDMMYY or DDY DDYY. Likewise. So the data was in the form of YYMMDD. So we have only extracted the year from the previous exercise. We can see it. So over here, what we have to do, we have to only extract the characters, first three characters. So I'll show you the data which I am using over here. So I'm using this particular data which is named as 50 records order. So I will extract this particular made. So the first three characters will be extracted and I will extract that first three characters in a new column. So this is Latam. So this is nothing but the area. So where this sales has been done. So I'll extract this. So over here we have taken the input data tool from this in out tab. So here the input data tool is available and the preparation tab is having this formula tool. So this is being connected and the data is being inputted in this particular. The name of the data is sales 2017.xlsx file. So over here the formula is being applied to the extraction of year. So I'll just click on run. Yeah. So you can see that over here the order date is 2017 3/7. So this is nothing but having the meaning as 7 March 2017. So we have only accepted the year order year, that is 2017. Likewise, so we can delete this also, but till then I will keep it as it is. You can see this plus sign, click on the plus sign, select the column, click on add column, write as first three characters. So this will be new column will be created. Go to this particular window, type here left string comma length. So whatever length is that, so we have to type three characters, so we will type 3. Click on tab. The string name is nothing but string name is area. Go to this area, click on tab. Now remove this and click on 3, whatever length you want. So over here the preview is also displayed mat. So it is made latam. So mat mat is going to display and latam, that is lat, will be going to display. So I'll select the data as string. You can delete this particular case if you don't want to display the order here. So right now there are 7 fields. So if I'm going to delete this, 6 fields will be remain, and this new uh, column is going to be displayed over here. I'll just click on it. So over here you can see that in the results workflow, the first three characters is being displayed. So I have deleted the order here. Now you can see over here whatever formula we have applied, and I have clicked on the output anchor. So whenever I click on this particular output anchor, so this is going to display. This is the symbol of output anchor. This is the symbol of output anchor. So the first three characters is displayed. So made MAD. So likewise latum is there. So it is displayed as LAT. So I hope you have understood this particular